Good morning. My name is Miles, and this is my Rube Goldberg machine. Firstly, I will start off by dropping a ball on this ramp, turning its potential energy into kinetic energy, rolling the ball down, making gain acceleration, moving on to the next ramp. This process will repeat for all the ramps. Then it will drop onto this last ramp, turning its potential energy into kinetic energy, making the applied force on this book greater than the weight and friction knocking it over. The book will then fall onto this box, transferring its kinetic energy into the dominoes, repeating the process for all. After the dominoes transfer the energy into this book, it will hit a string which releases tension on this weight, which its potential energy will drop and it will turn into kinetic energy, showing the force of gravity to be higher than normal force, accelerating it down into this ball, which this ball will then turn the applied force of the weight into acceleration, and kinetic energy will then hit the string, releasing tension on this 100-gram weight. The weight will then drop down, gaining acceleration, turning into GPE, GPE into kinetic energy, transferring into this book, applying a force that knocks it over, pulling down this rubber band, which then this ball will drop, turning potential energy into kinetic energy, which will then use projectile motion to swing the ball into my guitar, using kinetic energy in a way to make a frequency through my guitar. Then this will vibrate the guitar, transferring the energy through this wire into my amp, and the amp will release a frequency that turns that goes into this tuner that makes it show exactly what frequency it is. And that is my Rube Goldberg machine.